how to buy a RETANA token. So this token came under the symbol of RETN. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the store. So what you need to do to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your wallet for that. I will use different wallets. Click on swap here. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. As you can see, click on I understand, but make sure to read all of that. And if you are ready to go, you can click on I understand. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able, as you can see, this is how much you receive on the token. After that, select provider, for example, OKX. This is the only one. Now make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from your customer, because the most of issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy RETN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.